Hello, I'm Jim Markle, the transmission doctor. Welcome to our shop. We specialize in transmission repair in Alachua, Gainesville, High Springs, and surrounding areas. Today I'm going to talk about transmission problems that are often caused by worn out solenoids in the valve body. Why is this important? Because as I will show, that a small solenoid problem can lead to major mechanical damage and expensive repairs over time. Someone might tell you that you need to rebuild or replace your transmission. The problem is often just a faulty solenoid. We diagnose the problem, replace the solenoid, and off you go. And you'll have a much smaller repair bill and lots of life left in your transmission.
Next, Jim talks about checks and diagnostic tools he and his mechanics use to diagnose engine and transmission problems.
We run through a series of checks, look at the fluid level and the fluid condition. And then we're going to pull diagnostic trouble codes, road test the car, and just kind of verify the customer's complaint. And so now we're going to hook up the scan tool and we're going to look at the electronics on the car. Now it's powered up and we'll be able to scan the car remotely. And what's going to happen is when we take off, this will say 1. It'll be in first gear, and then we're going to watch the commands. We should see it go to 2, and then we should feel the shift right after that. And then it'll go to 3, and then we should feel another shift. This is the valve body, and this is the brain of the automatic transmission. And if you'll notice, there are a lot of solenoids here. And the job of the solenoids is to open and close shift valves in the valve body. All these little crevices, they're actually circuits, like an electrical circuit in your home. They're sealed off with gaskets, and fluid is directed through those. And if you're experiencing a harsh shift condition, the problem may just be a stuck pressure control solenoid. Now, what a harsh shift feels like when you're driving the car, when you take off, it almost kind of snaps your head back. The other thing about harsh shift conditions, sometimes they can be caused by the computer telling it to raise line pressure to maximum because it sees bad data coming from one of the sensors on the engine or on the rear end, a speed sensor, engine coolant temp sensor, a mass airflow sensor. Any one of those can put the computer in what's called limp mode, which is a safety feature that's designed in the software of the computer to protect the transmission. And so sometimes when you feel that harsh shift, it is actually a good thing. It's warning you if there's a problem. And this is a prime example of what happens when a worn out solenoid is let go too long. If you'll notice right here, you'll look at these splines. These splines are solid and they are in good shape. And when this gear is indexed into those splines, like that, it turns the drum just the way it's supposed to. If you let a solenoid go too long, that results in harsh shifting, which results in gear train damage and stripped out splines. That is the end result. This is all the metal that comes off of those gears, and this metal just floats through the fluid and contaminates the entire transmission. Okay, the bottom line is that automatic transmission shifts should be clean and crisp. Shouldn't be real mushy and soft, but they shouldn't be real harsh and jerky. This can lead to expensive mechanical damage. It's often caused by nothing more than just a worn out solenoid. I look forward to meeting you.